Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to divide both sides by f of t. Next, I will put number 1 go to the right. Then we divide both sides by number 3. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. Now, I will concentrate about this one. So, we can use about integration by substitution. So, I will put about u equals to f of t. Later that, we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have f of t with first derivative. This one we change by u. This one we change by du. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. So we go back in here. So the integration of this one, that is about this one. The integration of dt, we have t. Now we have the conditions. That means when t equals to number 0, f of 0 equals to number 0. Now we put number 0 in here and number 0 in here. So this one we got 0. But if we put number 0 in here, ln number 0 will go to negative infinity. So in this situation, we cannot find the value of c in here. So in this situation, we can say that there is no solution at that point. So because we don't have solutions, so we keep the same like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.